Cook that shit up, school.
Like all in there, so.
Prosecutor cursing at me, bitch, leave me alone. Looking at him like, whoa. Then rude, I'm gon' shoot you in your face. Made a couple diss songs about the DA. Now he won't give me death and throw my murkin' ass away. I'm stepping like Rain Pete, bitch, I'm going eight. They say I beat a bad.
You hear me, Boogie? You looking crazy.
I felt that beat.
I felt that like that. When I did it, listen, you know what's crazy about it? Listen, this is what's crazy about it. You know, I believe in you speak shit into existence. Yeah. I did this shit a year ago. I swear to God on my granny. She come down and smack me right in my face. I did this song a year ago. Good. Cause I've been home 4 years. I've been going hard, boots. Yeah. Like, I've been putting my foot down, repping this city hard, like really going traveling everywhere down in the village, the trenches, moving. But the music's hard. The music's hard. I started my own label. That's all my own shit. Yeah. It's straight from the mud, straight from the ground, cuz. Okay. A year ago. And look what I'm saying right here. Yes. A year ago. You feel what I'm saying? Like, when you looking at that shit, like, that shit real.
Them bitches be still the future right there.
But that shit be real, though.
You can bring them bitches out whenever.
Now we sitting in here in this motherfucking room dripping. Respectfully, oh God. Shit, one time.
Man, them people knew every fucking song, every word.
Nigga, this is your city.
I swear to God. Bro, is this Boosie City? Well, man, I'm way in Pennsylvania. Every fucking word. You get old that way.
I'm like, bro, what is this? 7 years ago, bro. It was fucking. That's when you was growing up. Boosie concert.
Mama want me home. Judge want me gone. Prosecutor cursing at me, bitch, leave me alone.